family, how you doing? It's your girl back again. Karibu sana to my channel Cookie's Kitchen, a channel where we make various African delicacies at a budget-friendly account. And if you're seeing me for the first time, you clicked this video for the first time, thank you for doing so. You're so much welcome, and I hope you're gonna be part of my family. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe. Kindly let's subscribe. And so guys, and on today's recipe we are making something known as Tambi. This is something I have been brought up with. This is what I have known as my Weetabix all my childhood life, and I have loved it, guys. So here it is, introducing to you Tambi. Maybe I know it's a Tambi, I don't know how you call it, and maybe some of you might be seeing this for the first time and you're wondering where you can get it. When you go to the supermarket, under the cereal section, penye kuna rice, penye kuna spaghetti, and all those other things, you will find this. This is the package. This is how it is. And guys, it's an amazing quick fix, a breakfast quick fix. And you know, this is Cookie's Kitchen. And I think this packet goes not even more than 200 shillings, guys. I think it goes for 165 shillings, I guess. So this is so budget friendly for your family. So today I'm gonna show you how I do my Tambi. And for my ingredients, guys, we only be using 3 ingredients. That's water, sugar, and cooking oil. 3 ingredients for this recipe. This is so budget friendly, so let's get into it. So guys, using a pan, using a sufuria, just add in your cooking oil. That's enough. Then the next thing, we're going to add the Tambi. So after you've added in your Tambi, just give it time to cook. We want to attain brown color, so we just be turning this around as we give it time to cook. So yeah. The color is coming, guys. Look at that. I know you're wondering where's the water and the sugar coming in, right? Stay tuned. So guys, the secret is to make sure that this will not burn. So what we are going to do, we are going to leave it at this point. Some are brown and some are still white, so we want it to be kinda colorful. So at this point, we are going to mix our sugar and water and pour it in. So guys, this is 1 tablespoon of sugar. I'm just going to mix it in here, and oops, this is messy. And stir nicely. Then we're going to add it into our mixture. So we're just going to add it in here. The water, we're just going to cover this, and we let it cook. So the water is going to help it not to be crunchy but soften a little bit, and the sugar, of course, is going to make this thing so sweet. So let's give this time. So guys, I'm just adding in another cup of water, and I've added sugar, and we're going to cover this and let it cook. And guys, introducing our Tambi. It's ready, looking delicious. Oh my god, guys. And as simple as that, you have your recipe, you have your breakfast with you.